The Wolf and the Kid. Moral story. Once there was a young kid. He had small horns and thought he was a grown goat. One evening, the flock started going home, but the kid kept eating grass. He did not listen when his mother called him. When he finally looked up, the flock was gone. He was all alone. The sun was setting, and shadows grew longer. A cold wind began to blow, making scary sounds. The kid felt afraid, thinking of the big bad wolf. The kid began to run and cry for his mother. But soon he saw the wolf near some trees. The kid knew he was in danger. "Please, Mr. Wolf," he said, shaking. "I know you want to eat me, but can you play a song first? I won't dance before you eat me." The wolf liked the idea of playing music. He began to play a happy tune. The kid started to dance and jump around. Meanwhile, the flock was walking home. The wolf's music was loud, and it traveled far. The shepherd dogs heard it. They knew the wolf was near and ran back quickly. The wolf stopped playing and ran away with the dogs chasing him. He felt foolish for playing music for the kid when he should have focused on catching his meal. The moral of this story is, do not let anything turn you from your purpose.